Vanakkam namaste assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got the OnePlus buds not blue color for my new OnePlus 80 guys. As you can see, I've already connected it with the OnePlus buds. Wait, let me show you guys. And I've already set up the Dolby Atmos and everything with the perfect settings. Let me show you the buds guys. To be honest, I personally love this color guys because it's so unique and different. Here's the design by OnePlus written over here. I think you guys can see that. And the button, if you open, green light appears. This is the earpiece guys. This is the earpiece. And inside we have the fluorescent green look. It's absolutely awesome guys. To be honest, this is totally matching with my OnePlus 80 to be well said. You can look. Actually this is not blue and this is aquamarine green color guys. It looks sexy guys. And let me show you. I have the OnePlus buds white as well. And let's do a quick color comparison guys. This looks like some sort of egg and this one looks so fancy, I would say. But this has Type-C port guys. It supports fast charging as well. If you haven't watched my OnePlus 80 unboxing and review video, click down in the description guys. I have given the links. Also I have mentioned the OnePlus not blue, I mean the white variant unboxing as well. Please don't forget to check that out too. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this video. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.